Do you know you can apply for a $10,000 grant? In today's video, I'll share with you step by step how to apply for grants for your course. Do you need free money? In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can apply for free money grants. Yes. In case you don't know what grants are actually free money that you don't have to pay back. In today's video, I'll share with you step by step how to apply for grants for your course. So if you have a small business or you need grants, free money, I'm going to share with you exactly how to go about that. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Also note that I have a giveaway at the end of today's video. So make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. Guys, nearly 40% of small businesses are unable to reopen their doors following a disaster, according to the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, through the Restaurant Disaster Relief Fund. DoorDash hopes to reduce the financial burden imposed on small businesses following a state of federally declared natural disaster, helping to keep their doors open for years to come. Do you know that grants can cover operating costs following a state of federally declared natural disasters, including rent or mortgage payments, food and beverage inventory, utilities, supplies and materials, and supplier costs? Do you know you can apply for a $10,000 grant? It is powered by Restaurant Disaster Relief Fund. Of course, disasters are unpredictable, but critical support should not be. Now, the average small businesses lose $3,000 every day they remain closed to a natural disaster. To help restaurants recover in times of critical need, DoorDash has partnered with Hello Alice to create the Restaurant Disaster Relief Fund. The fund supports restaurants impacted by natural disasters like fires, floods, and hurricanes, and they provide relief through $10,000 grants. In case you're wondering, how can I apply? Who is eligible for this grant? Applicants must meet all of the criteria I'll be highlighting to you guys to be eligible for this opportunity. Please note, a partnership with DoorDash or Caviar is not required or considered, yes, but you must be a restaurant located and registered in one of the 50 United States District of Columbia or Puerto Rico. You must be experiencing hardship due to a state or federally declared natural disaster. You must operate a brick and mortar location. You must own a maximum of 3 locations and employ fewer than 50 employees per location. You must have been in operation for at least 6 months and your revenue should be $3 million or less in the last 12 months. Now, for restaurants that are based in Australia, New Zealand, or Canada, you may also be eligible for a grant through another portion of the fund. Go ahead and click on the link. Yes, I'm going to put the link in the description for more details. Now, guys, I'm going to show you how to make money on TikTok. I'm sure you're not aware of this opportunity, of these facts before now. Do you know that you can make $100 within 1 hour on TikTok? And yes, I also have a giveaway, so watch this video all the way till the end. So, besties, if you have a TikTok account, go live on TikTok. You might have noticed people who go live on TikTok, TikTokers who keep telling people to double tap on your screen, double tap, like. That is how they make their money. Yes, one of the ways by which they make their money on TikTok. So what you need to do is go live on TikTok and ask whoever joins your live stream to double tap. In fact, you can even ask your friend to join you as you're going live. Yes, so double tap, and then in 1 hour, if you can do it in 1 hour, you get 100,000 likes and you get paid $100 by TikTok. Yes. So what they need to do, one person can give as much as like 100,000 likes. So just keep tapping. When you're tapping, you see how many likes you're giving. You're giving the person likes on TikTok. The more you tap, the more the person, you see the updates right at the top. You can tap 200 times within 1 minute. Yes, you can tap your phone 200 times within 1 minute. That's 200, and then 1,000, and then before you know it, you're on 100,000. I'm telling you. And this is just one way to make money as well. Now, let me also introduce you guys to a resource, a website. A lot of you are aware of it. Well, some people are aware of it, but they don't know that it has this much potential. Now, we all, for those of us that have businesses, most of the time we go online scouting for businesses on the internet, but we fail to even look at our local community and see how much of the market share we can get from within our local community. And that is why I came up with this solution, and it is working for me. Please go ahead and download this app called Nextdoor. I am by no means an affiliate of Nextdoor. I'm not working for them. I have nothing to do with them. I'm just telling you it works for me. Go ahead and download Nextdoor. And even if you don't download, just go to Nextdoor website and register yourself as a business. Yes, as a business. When you do that, then you promote your business on Nextdoor every single day. create a schedule for yourself and make it a point of duty to always share your business on Nextdoor every day. So let's assume that you're in a city, in your local community, you have 100,000 residents that live in your city, and you're able to only get, even if it's just 1% of the people in your local community, that's 1,000 people to buy from you. You're fine. You are fine. Literally, you're fine. If you have a product that is 20,000 and 1,000 of them buy from you every month, that's 20,000 every month. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So why not comb your local community rather than just looking online? Yes. So go on Nextdoor, introduce yourself every single time. I always start by greeting my neighbors with an adjective. You have to qualify them. Hi, beautiful neighbors, and then I give them a quote. If anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't hear them anymore. Or you can give them a word of encouragement. You can tell them, if everything is not okay yet, it is not the end. Everything will be okay in the end. Yes, if it is not okay, then it is not the end. Everything will be okay in the end. And tell them, hi everyone, my name is Mariam. I sell this, I offer these services, these products and services. If you want to, if you need any of these products and services, go ahead and contact me through my website or through my email, or send a DM or email or text me or call me. Put all your details there. Put all your details there. You'll be surprised how much business you're going to get from your local community just from nextdoor.com. Now guys, always remember to let them know how they can reach you every single time. Let them know how they can contact you through your website, through your email, through your phone number, through DMs. Now let me also say this: do not assume anyone knows you. And like I said, post on Nextdoor every day as a business. Follow everything I'm telling you attentively. I'm being really strategic and I'm being really precise because I don't want to miss out the major points. So post there every day. Do not assume that, because you posted yesterday, because some people are always commenting. Don't assume anyone knows you. Go ahead and do the same thing again the next day. Keep introducing yourself every single time. Give them, you have to, give them some accolades. Hi, beautiful neighbor. I say it every time. Hi, beautiful neighbors. If anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't hear them anymore. My name is X and Y. I provide X and Y services, and then put pictures. Yes, add pictures at the end of your caption. I mean, every single time, do it every day until you become a well-known brand. People are going to save your contacts. People are going to save your posts. And because you don't hear from them same day or that week or that month, doesn't mean that they don't have you in mind. But you have to keep yourself, stay at the top of their minds by repeating that step every single day. Before you know it, you comb your local area. Get 1% of the people, the business, the market share in your local area, and you're on your way to the top. And yes, that is it for today. If you have any question, let me know. If you have any feedback, let me know. If you want me to do a reset to your specification, also let me know. And please guys, I want to say a big thank you to my amazing Patreon members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know what I would have done without you guys, but thank you. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. If you want to join my Patreon membership, go ahead and find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon membership is that you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. And yes, here is how to enter for my own personal giveaway. I'm giving out $100 cash gifts, and here is how to enter for it. We have launched our Telegram community. Please add your friends, 50 of your friends, your village members, your church members, your enemies, your besties, your vacational members. Add all of them. Yes, so add them to my Telegram community. So what you need to do is I'm going to help you also to achieve that goal. Go ahead and add 500 of your friends, your contact list, into my Telegram community. Tell them why they should join my Telegram community, and then share the link with them. Share with 1,000 people or 500 people. At least 10% of them will join. Once you have verified that 50 of your friends have joined my Telegram, come back to this video. I'll be selecting randomly, and I'll be crediting you with $100 cash. Yes, I'll send it to you whether by Zelle or Venmo or PayPal or even Western Union money transfer. Yeah, and that is it, guys. Any question, let me know. And yes, I've not introduced myself. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. Introduce yourself too while I introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I live in California with my amazing husband and kids. I'm a YouTube coach. I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize from day one. And that is it, guys, for today. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now. God bless you. Bye.